Mr. Marks. So this is my 610 4 different foil placement toning, my first one. So I just took all the foils out and now she's in the sink, and I'm going to be rinsing out all of what would be bleach. So I'm going to rinse that first. Alright, so now that I rinsed out the cholesterol/bleach, I'm going to be applying the toner, which this will be my toner. It is actually shampoo and water mixed together. This is my applicator bottle. So what a toner does is, if obviously, since you're lightening the hair, there's going to be different colors in the bleach depending on how long it sat for and how long it didn't. And because it's lightening, it's like taking that, your natural color or whatever that color was in the hair at the time, out. So there's always going to be like a different type of color. So if you're lightening blonde hair, or no, let's just say you're lightening really dark hair, you're gonna end up getting some oranges and yellows in there. So obviously you would use a violet for yellow, and then so forth. But I'm lightening it now. Just gonna pour it all on there. And normally you would let that sit for about 20 minutes or so. But obviously I'm not gonna let it sit for super long. I'm just gonna rub it in there. I don't think you're supposed to rub toners in there, because normally use the applicator bottle, you put it on there, you use a brush. But obviously I don't have a brush, but you can put it through the hair and move it around. And since mine is water and shampoo mixed, it's getting foamy. That is, an actual toner is not gonna get foamy. And to mix toner, it's normally the toner, whatever the color is of the toner, and then what you have to read the directions, because it's always different with different types of toners, the brands. So you would just mix equal parts, if not a little bit more, of developer, and that would help you to tone. But I've mixed this through all the sections, so now it's just getting even more foamy. But I need to rinse my hands. Okay, so I rinsed my hand. So now I'm gonna actually take full shampoo, and I'm gonna put some on top real quick. Oops. I'll just mix that in. The reason why I put some more is because there wasn't a lot of shampoo when I mixed it for the toner. So, need a little more. And now it's even foamier. Yay. Now I'm rinsing it out. Oh, it's cold. There we go. Now that I've rinsed the toner out and conditioned it, need to get all that stuff out of my sink. Sorry, my sink is broken, so I have to like rinse it out in between, otherwise there's nothing but bubbles. So now I'm just gonna condition it. I'm just gonna rub it into the hair. I'm using my nails to like scratch it into the hair, but when you do that you have to be very gentle, or you can like scratch your client and you don't want to do that. And especially because they've had bleach in their hair and toner, you know, their head might burn a little bit, especially if you get it on the scalp, which you don't want to, but if you do, it'll burn. So you must be gentle. Now I'm gonna put some on the ends. It'll come out. Oops, a lot. Put some up there. And you just scrub it up, dub. Alright. Messy hair, don't care. Woohoo! It's alright, because in the end it looks gorgeous. Now I'm gonna just rinse out the conditioner. I'm just gonna try and rub the water out. I'm gonna scoot these back. So I'm getting the water out of the hair. Leave her there for a second. And I'm going to wrap her. How I wrap is I just take one side over, take the other, wrap it over, take the ending over here. I'm going to tuck it into, tuck it into the side. Take this end, pull it over, and tuck it into the side. So you get that. And that is my 610, 4 different foil placements, and this was the toner and the wash. This is the first toning.